Kshitij's performance today was beyond expectations. He spoke about self-confidence, he spoke about solving problems, he spoke about how to give quick confidence, self-confidence on the spur of the moment. And his takeaways from today's session was really astounding. I wish him all the best in his training programs further. Thank you very much.
Kshitij, first of all, I would like to congratulate for your session about unbelievable, unshakable confidence, and the confidence that you are reflecting in your body language that took the session apart from the other common sessions what I have attended earlier regarding confidence. The inbuilt confidence in the Kshitij reflected toward the participant, and the takeaway was that all of a sudden in a minute also you can turn all the negative factors in building up own segment of creating the confidence in a shorter span and grow ahead in life. All the best, Kshitij.
Yeah, hi everybody, I'm Parag Gadia, the personal leadership coach, and today I attended Kshitij workshops on the self-confidence, and it was one of the best workshops I've attended in my life till now. And the 2-point technique which he gave was mind-blowing, and I feel that okay, all of us is a person of self-confidence, and all of us, he transferred that self-confidence in all of us. So I wish him all the great in his success, and he's a real self-confidence coach. All the best, Kshitij.
Oh, I've just come out of a presentation. This is Rammohan Rai. I've just come out of a presentation by Kshitij, and I am completely overpowered with the confidence that he has exuded in this presentation. He told us what confidence is all about, and he has shown this with his extremely energetic speech and energetic training session that he held, and he was very interactive. And I think, Kshitij, right from the beginning, I have seen this energy out of you, this confidence in you, and you are the apt person to do this session today. We're so happy and so grateful to you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, hi, good evening friends. My name is Aslam Beg. Today I attended a session conducted by Kshitij, and that session was really energetic, really amazing. He taught us very behavioral aspects of our human beings, and also taught us how we can get rid of our negative self-talk, as well as use some techniques that was really useful, and I wish him all the very best for his future. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I attended a workshop by Kshitij. It was a wonderful workshop, and he has given us insight into two things. One is the snowballing effect, and the other is the yoga mudra effect. How to overcome stress and how to address yourself and bring out the best in you. Where you're scared, where you're having fear, where you're having certain traumas, all those things, how to come out of that. A real wonderful workshop.
Good afternoon friends, my name is Harsh, and I'm a corporate trainer with 10 years of experience. It was a pleasure to attend a workshop of Mr. Kshitij, and it was on confidence building, unshakable confidence, and it was really awesome. It was beautiful, and I got lots of good new techniques which I'm going to use it in my workshop. In my own career to build up my situations, and that was awesome. Thank you very much, Kshitij. You have a great happening.
Hi, I'm Dinesh Singhal. I'm an entrepreneur. I had the good fortune to listen to Kshitij on his topic of confidence. He himself is a picture of confidence. What energy, what confidence, what style, and the way he has approached the subject and inspired everybody, all of us, to have confidence and succeed with confidence. Fantastic. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Parul Tripathi. Today I attended Kshitij's workshop on confidence, and I must say what an informative session it was. And the takeaway that how to wave away all the negative energy from your mind and how to use all the energy for the constructive things was just amazing. So just looking forward for all his next workshops and wishing him all the best. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Dominic Montero. I'm a corporate trainer. The session on confidence given by Kshitij was excellent. In fact, I was taken back to memory lane during those instances where I was not very confident, and the tools and the techniques that he has given was very enlightening. In fact, I can look back and I wish I could go back to my previous instances, and I could correct those wrong moves that I made due to lack of confidence. But now, because of these techniques, going forward, I'm going to apply them in my life, and I'm going to be a more confident person just because of the tools and the techniques that were provided to us. Thank you so much.
An excellent way of taking a session wherein Kshitij went through the process of understanding exactly the needs in terms of what they want to hear about the subject of fear. To be free of fear, who doesn't want to do that? Asking those questions, all of us were very, very expressive in what we want from his session. Great takeaways. How to get rid of negative talk. How simply he has put that piece. And this one, holding on to an instant confidence anchor. Kshitij, thank you so much. This will be a lifetime learning.
Good afternoon, this is Gopinath Nambiar. I had the opportunity to attend a session on confidence building by Kshitij. It was a very energetic performance by Kshitij. He gave some very good tips on how one can be one can develop confidence and also use the abilities in us to overcome any fear or barriers. And I'm sure that a longer session, a full day workshop by him can generate and build his confidence further, and I wish him all the best in his training engagements. Thank you.